Hi there, welcome to this tutorial from ritus.com where we are going to talk about an important class in the collection interface, which is the hash table. We'll look at what is the hash table class, what are the different operations that you can do with the hash table class, and why it's synchronized, and what does synchronized mean. We'll look at all that kind of stuff in the hash table class. We'll also see how it's different from a hash map. So, hash table. Hash table is one of the important classes in the collection interface. It implements the map interface. So that's basically a map interface is usually the one which is used to store a list of key value pairs. So we can store a list of key value pairs in a hash table, in a map. So I can store a list of key value pairs in this way. So I can say the value of key 1 is value 1, the value of key 2 is value 2, value of key 3 is value 3. And also you'd see that the map interface does not allow for duplicates on the keys. So these keys are unique and you'd be able to get values and store values based on the keys. So I can say map.get key 2, map.remove key 3. I can do map.add key 5 comma value 1. So all these kind of things are possible in a map. So the most basic implementation of the map is a hash map, which implements the map interface. But hash map is an unsorted and an unordered implementation of the map. That means there is no sorting and there is no ordering. What do you mean by ordering? Is the insertion order is not maintained. So if I'm inserting element first, then there is no guarantee that the element will remain first. So it would be in some random order. Hash table is very similar to hash map, except that the methods in the hash table are synchronized. So first let's look at a simple example for a hash map. Let's start with a hash map. So you'd see hash map is new hash map of string cricketer. So I can put this is the key, Sachin is key, and I can put a value. So I'm doing a hashmap.put key comma value, hashmap.put key comma value, hashmap.put key comma value. So I'm inserting 4 values in here, and hashmap allows us to get Ponting and also get Lara. Because Ponting is in the list, this would return a value back. Because Lara is not in the list, this would not return a value back, it would return a value null. So this is a simple hash map. Now that we looked at the hash map, we'll now go to the hash table. So we can right away change hash map to a hash table, and I would import the hash table. So you'd see that the same exact program, I just replaced hash map with hash table, and it still compiles because I'm using the map interface. That's one important reason. But you can see that a hash table supports the same methods as a hash map. So what's the difference? So if I go to the hash table class, I'm looking at the class inside the Java JDK. So you'd see that some of the methods are synchronized. That's the biggest difference between a hash table and a hash map. In a hash table, the methods are all synchronized. So if I'll just do a get key, you'd see that all these methods in here are synchronized. So what does it really mean? What does a synchronized method mean? So what the thing about synchronized methods is it's very important in a multi-threaded environment. So if you have multiple threads accessing the method, then a synchronized method would only be executed at once by one thread. So only one thread would be in the execution in that particular method at a particular point in time. So that makes sure that even if a number of threads are trying to access that particular method, each thread gets the result that it expects. There would not be any unexpected results from it. So the most important thing that we need to take away from this is whenever we are coding in a multi-threaded environment, it's better to use a hash table compared to a hash map. Hash table is the same as a hash map. The only difference being hash table is offering synchronized methods. So that's all about the hash table. Hash table is basically a hash map with synchronized methods. If you want to look at more stuff on the detailed methods which are present in the hash table, you can also look at the detailed methods which are present in the hash map, and you can look it up in the other tutorials lists in our videos. Until next time.
If you like this video, show it by clicking like or commenting or sharing this video. We are creating more videos on varied range of topics as we speak. Subscribe to stay updated. Thanks for watching. Until next time, bye.